Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to embed Velo by Wix into IMVU. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already, of course, done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have my site where you can go and check out all of your sites and change in them. We have, of course, the settings where you can go and check out the settings, the design, and the dashboard where we're currently at. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and embed Velo by Wix into IMVU. Well, currently there isn't a direct feature to embed Velo by Wix into IMVU. However, you can still achieve this by customizing the general code from Velo and integrating it into the IMVU editor. Here's basic outline how you might do it. Of course, firstly you need to go and create your Velo code, develop the functionality you need using Velo by Wix, then export your code. Once your code is ready, you can export it or copy it to relevant parts. Then edit your IMVU profile. Log into your IMVU account and go to your profile, click on the Edit Profile button. Then add external website. In the About Me section, click on the Add External Website and paste the URL of your Wix site or the code snipped on your copied. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.